The surging U.S. demand for sophisticated electronics is driving an increase in the need for domestic manufacturing facilities to produce cutting-edge technology. This emphasizes how important it is for domestic construction teams to understand the realities of these facilities and their environmental impact. Ambitious plans are underway for domestic production of advanced new semiconductors, electric vehicles, renewable energy components, and more, along with the factories needed to produce these technologies. These plans promise significant opportunities, but also great environmental challenges. High-tech manufacturing facilities involve large, complex construction processes with specialized materials and chemicals, which can harm the environment if not properly mitigated. Contractors need to recognize these risks and prioritize air, water, and soil quality, along with environmental safety practices. Consider the following environmental risks in the construction of sophisticated manufacturing plants. Air pollution is a major concern in the construction of modern manufacturing facilities due to the use of specialized solvents and chemicals, which often contain volatile organic compounds that can contribute to poor air quality. Additionally, construction activities such as excavation, grading, and demolition can release dust, including silica and other toxic particulates. Retrofitting or expanding existing facilities into high-tech manufacturing plants increases air quality risks due to the disturbance of hazardous materials such as asbestos fibers and lead dust. Ensuring air quality requires construction teams to adopt strict safety measures and be equipped with the appropriate tools and training to handle these challenges effectively. Water pollution is a significant risk during the construction of sophisticated facilities. Chemicals and metals from paints, coatings, and other materials can enter local waterways and compromise water quality if not properly managed. Also, the use of fuels, lubricants, soils, and hydraulic fluids in construction equipment can impact stormwater runoff, leading to water pollution. Contaminants from these substances pose risks to public health. Effective management practices are crucial to prevent these substances from entering nearby water bodies, highlighting the essential role of construction teams in implementing these measures. The use of construction materials and equipment for complex builds can lead to leaks, spills, or improper disposal of specialized fuels, oils, solvents, or chemicals, allowing these substances to seep into the soil. Drips from machinery, accidental spills, and inadequate storage contribute to soil contamination. The shortage of qualified workers in the U.S. can result in less experienced workers being assigned to critical projects, which can increase the risk of pollution conditions related to improper implementation of safety procedures or controls. Thorough training in handling, storage, and disposal of hazardous materials or waste is essential for managing these potential exposures effectively. Travelers Construction Risk Control Specialists are well-versed in the nuances of mitigating pollution risks during construction of high-tech manufacturing facilities. They can assist our customers, address potential hazards, and make recommendations to help customers take action before a costly cleanup is required. With our menu of coverage options, customers can tailor a program to their specific needs. Whether a large general contractor or a specialized trade contractor, we work with each customer to create a solution that meets their goals. To learn more about how Travelers supports the construction of high-tech manufacturing facilities, connect with your independent agent or visit travelers.com/construction.